taghirap na dito. We're so poor that our kids are selling rocks in the streets. She looks happy. Hi guys! Good morning. It is January 2. So malapit na silang
2025.
babalik sa school. Ito, kagagaling ko lang nag-workout for 2 hours. Zumba and then Pilates. Hindi ako nagbihis. Bibisitahin namin si mother-in-law. After my workout, pumunta ako ng Panera. Bumili ng pagkain namin ni Mr. And then si mother-in-law, bilhan namin siya ng food na yung favorite niya guys na Manuel's. And then the kids like their smoothie. Yeah, they like that smoothie.
Where'd they get that?
Panera, daddy.
You got the key?
Mom,
Yeah.
jacket.
Go get it there. I hang it in the...
Or
Oh, no,
sorry,
wait.
you don't need
It's in the car.
Okay.
I don't think- Where's the key in the car?
It's in my purse.
What's that thing like?
But it's cold when you drink this.
I know. So bisitahin natin si Mother and Lord. Last time na binisita namin siya, guys, umiyak siya ng pag-alis namin.
It's okay, I'm not gonna lock it.
You need my... Okay, hold on.
Oh, man.
Yung key ng sasakyan. Nasaan na ba dito? So, are you ready to visit Grandma? Alam niyo may pusa akong binili sa kanya na parang real talaga na pusa. Mahal yun, guys. Nasa mga $70. Ayaw ipadala ni Mister kasi baka daw maalala niya yung mga pusa niya. Pero, hindi naman niya na binanggit yung mga pusa niya, guys.
I don't know how to clean that grill.
Why? It's
I need to
broken?
Google it. Well, I don't know. I mean, it just got charred. I think the metal is okay. But
Okay. So, muntik ka na talagang nasunog yung grill namin, guys.
I
Okay.
probably won't get a chance to do it. Well, maybe tomorrow.
How's she run?
That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Good running.
Yeah. It's about 3 miles.
So, balik Alindog tayo kasi 2005. 2025 na.
2005. Dad,
What?
we forgot your off.
It's okay.
I think it's okay.
Yeah. So, kaya hindi pa namin naligpit yung mga Christmas lights, guys, dito sa labas. Kailangan to ng 2 araw para lagpitin tong mga lights. I think when I think we should start tidy up, Daddy, right?
No.
Yes,
is that
Liam.
poop?
Huh? Poop?
Oh, that's grass.
Someone
Don't
pooped
tidy
somewhere.
up.
Is there poop right on the corner?
I don't
Is
know.
that
It
right
looks
there in
like
the,
a poop, yeah.
No, that's grass.
Okay.
Isn't it? Yeah, that's grass.
Mga kapitbahay kasi dito na may mga aso. Yaan lang nilang magpoop yung mga aso nila sa yard. Now in my nose, I imagining the
Poop smell.
dog.
What were you asking me before?
I don't. Hi ma'am, Happy New Year. You look nice. Oh. She looks happy, no?
Where were you going?
Isn't that her skin is more, younger?
Where were you going over there? She was wandering over to
I know.
somebody else's house.
She become a marites. Yes.
We
Don't worry, I'll get something for you. We are back,
Mom,
guys.
you didn't get me
Kanina pa kami
something.
dumating. Pagdating namin,
Because she said you're too old for
umalis
it.
din kami ni Liam to get his new shoes. Ayan yung new shoes niya, guys.
Could you
Oh.
open this? I need new shoes.
You need, you still wearing. You still have 2 shoes.
Those are broken. No. Stop. Mom, why
Yeah.
don't you get me one?
I would getting your shoes is still okay.
No,
Well, I can get you socks.
I mean socks and the Crocs.
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
Mom, why don't you get me any? Where's my big shoe that I got my new shoe?
You have to wait. Hold on.
My new shoe.
And then sumaglit din kami sa Target. Socks pala. Socks ko rin.
Mom,
Ay, naku, Liam, you have to wait. Baba? Nag-inarti-arti ka diha. No, because it's time for Liam to get new shoes. You still have shoes.
This doesn't fit my croc.
Oh. So, nagsaglit kami ng Target to get these cherries, guys.
Yeah, my big one.
Berries.
Like a small one.
Strawberries.
Those are my old ones.
Ayan, kasi si Liam, isang pack nito, sabi ko na ba? Sa mga ibang vlog ko, na pwede ko
Mommy!
Liam. Hoy!
Where is it?
It's in the
What?
sink area because it's so dirty. I need to wash it. So, na-exorcist na yung gagawin diha.
I can't even fit this. Oh, I'm not gonna fit it. No, it's too big. No, it isn't. Oh yeah, you know when you do this takes a long time to get your croc turning. It does? Yeah. I don't want to, you can have it.
They should eat this cherries na ha.
Yeah, you can have it.
Kasi naka-headset pala yun.
Put it back!
Nag-exercise. Ba, can you put this one in the other fridge, Baba? Outside? Leftover yung food namin later. Ba! Please, into the fridge outside.
I don't know how you're supposed to put croc charms into here.
Hulog na. Importante pa manggunagod kaysa.
In what fridge?
Pang soup ko pa naman yung nagkabit. Nilaglag na. Bili-bili nito, tapos hindi alam paano. Hindi ko alam paano to siya. I don't know how to fix this one. I don't know how to fit this, Baba.
I've done it before. Oh. Look what Mommy did.
I can get the we get a socks for agoy ka. Hugaw para ba anang kuanin mo day? Naging mong Crocs.
What?
Proud kay kasi mong hugaw nga Crocs.
Huh? I can understand you with your Bisaya language.
Okay. Kain. Mag-start na tayong kakainin tong fruits natin, guys, from the new year. Ito, bago masira. Yung pera,
Oh, no.
huwag natin tong gastusin. Ilagay natin to sa ano, sa wallet. Okay, kakain tayo nito and then dalawa ko ng coffee. I need coffee. Kain tayo. This is one of my favorites na bukas, guys. Ang tagal mag-ulang. Sinumpong na naman ang aking GI ko. Pinata siyang manok. Yung dragon fruit. Ang gusto ko nito, no, yung ano, yung red. Masarap yung red. Okay, kape while manood ng my college football. Na yung, ano, may laro. Baba, what team are playing? Whose team are you playing, Baba? Notre Dame and Notre Dame? What is that? Notre Dame? Notre Dame and Notre Dame. Come here. What? Notre Dame? What? Notre Dame? Ang hirap bigasin. Si mother-in-law kanina doon, namin masaya naman siya guys. Pero malungkot siya nung pag-alis namin. Kasi, nag-ano naman siya, nandun din yung kapatid ni Mr. Kaya hindi na ako nakapag-video ng matagal kasi nandun yung kapatid ni Mr. na babae. Kasi hinahanap niya, so pinapunta namin. So yun, nag-ano sila guys, nagkasagutan sila sa kwarto kasi ang yung matanda, nag-ano naman, nagpupumilit na naman na dalhin mo ako sa bahay ko ngayon na. Nag-aano siya guys, nagdadrama siya pag nakikita niya kami. Pero pag wala kami, okay naman daw siya. Sabi nung nag-aano doon, nag-work doon, yung mga caregiver ba. Pag nandun kami, yun, doon siya nagdadrama ba. Siguro nga dahil matanda na. Parang bumalik na siyang pagkabata. So yun, nagdadrama siya guys ha. Balik niyo ako sa bahay ko. Pero nakalimutan niya na yung pusa. Speaking of pusa pala ni mother-in-law, yung pusa niya nasa nasa bahay pa niya guys. Ang nagbibigay ng pagkain, yung kapatid ni Mr. Pupunta siya doon every other day para binibigyan niya ng pagkain yung pusa ni grandma, yung tatlo. Pero dadalhin yun sa may plano si sister-in-law nun, na dadalhin siya sa yung mga, yung lugar ng pwede mong, hindi ko alam ang tawag yun. Basta, siya yung, pwede mong dalhin yung mga alaga mong pusa, tapos, or aso. Tapos, i-adapt nila, tapos maghihintay sila kung, may mga pumunta doon para, mag-a-adapt din ng mga hayop like pusa or aso. You know that this is for grandma, but daddy doesn't want me to bring there because maybe grandma will not keep it.
I want to keep the box.
Look, I bought this one to make grandma happy, but I think daddy said it's too soon for her to have this kind of stuff.
What is it?
Maybe she will remember her cat. Because ngayon guys, hindi niya talaga maalala yung pusa niya.
Wait, is it a cat?
Yeah.
What is it? That's food, you Baba.
Oh, look at. Show it.
I want it.
It looks surreal, right?
Yeah.
Well, you got allergy. You got
I don't care.
cat allergy. You don't care?
This is not a real cat.
I know, magluha-luha na ba na yung...
I don't have an allergy. Okay.
Magluha-luha na ba na yung matag kuan?
The paw.
I know.
Who's this for?
That's for grandma.
Can I take no.
Why? Just,
No, yeah,
wala
no.
lang, lupat ng balahibo.
Well,
Hey, that's supposed to wait for grandma.
it's
So,
for
tingnan nyo guys,
grandma.
it looks surreal.
Mom, can you buy one of these for me?
Ha?
No, can you buy one of these for me? For me. Why? I don't want one. Me.
Look.
Do you get to pick your own? Mom, do you get to pick your own cat?
Yeah.
I want. Mom, can you buy one of those?
Yeah, you need to be good for me first before I can get you one. And it's warm cut. Look.
I wanna.
Ay, dili na, ginakikig grandma na.
Does it have a certificate?
Yeah.
I want one. I want one.
What's the name?
Shankar.
Ano, dagan man siya balahibo.
Can I get a dog? I want one. I
Well, we
want
got
one.
plenty of dog. You need to choose some of your stuffed toys to donate because we cannot take that a lot of your stuffed toys in the Philippines. You have to donate something so that I can get you one. Because I know you have plenty of stuffed toys. Look.
Wait, can you still buy me one?
So do you
I want a panda.
Okay, so do you think grandma will be happy to have this
No. No.
in her room?
Yes, ugly.
Ha? Tingnan nyo guys, parang talaga siyang totoo guys ay.
Why does Daddy think it's too
Yeah, maybe Daddy said it's not a good idea for her to, I don't know.
Then can I keep it?
No. Hi guys! Nakapajama na tayo kasi hindi ako magluluto ngayon. Yung dinner namin is leftover na food from the New Year na food namin. So madami kaming leftover na food, guys. So yun yung magiging dinner namin tonight, and then yung mga bata hindi pa makaget over sa Christmas, kaya si Liam nag-ano sa daddy niya na manood daw sila ng lights. I'm not sure if sasama pa ba ako, guys. Uy, gusto kong mag-stay dito sa bahay at mag-edit ng videos. And then, eto, nakapag-order ako ng games kasi nitong holidays na to, itong mga kids, mahilig silang mag-ano ng games, family games, guys. May nalaro na kami na yung chicken taco ba yun na cards. And then, yeah, I think may 3 kaming family na game boards. So ito, dinagdagan ko kasi nagsawa na daw sila. So ito, do you really know your family? So yan, and then nag-add na rin ako ng Nespresso na pods for my coffee. Ako lang umiinom palagi niyan, guys. Si Mr. hindi masyado. Si Mr. ng iba yung, uy, may nakapasok na langaw. Maano pa siya, full of energy pa yung langaw na yan. Kasi lipad pa ng lipad. Yeah, may langaw na nakapasok sa bahay. And then, washing din ako, guys. Ano ba to? Araw-araw na akong naglalaba, guys. Ay! Talagang, langaw. Kuha ko ng dito. Yung collagen natin. Ayan, ito yung everyday ko na-take. Dapat kanina pa itong umaga, guys. Walang time, nakalimutan ko. Ito, late na siyang na-take. Late ko na siyang ma-take. Like vitamin D, D3. Ayan. Alagaan natin yung sarili natin ngayon kasi may virus na naman na nagsastart na naman sa China. Ay, nakakainis. Sana hindi siya kasing lala ng coronavirus. Kasi marami na namang mundo na naman maepektuhan ng virus na yan. Early in the morning, yun na ko sa Facebook. Again! Virus again, galing China. Ay, ako. Wala nang katapusan. Suot na putagmas, Basta, pumunta na mahunong, Nakalabot na siya usahay, guys. Yung virus nga walay kahumana. Yung COVID, pa rin. Hindi na ako nagpapaano nung guys, hindi na last year nung hindi ako nag-vlog kasi nagpa-booster ako before kami umuwi ng Pinas kasi kailangan ko yun 2 years ago. And then pagdating ko ng Pinas, talagang grabe yung guys, grabe yung ubo at sipon ko, yung nawala yung boses ko. Time yun na namatay din yung tatay ko. And then last December last year, hindi na ako nagpa-booster. Tinamaan ako ng flu na talagang sabi ni Mr. First time daw niyang nakita na yung flu ko, yung malala. Talagang humiga lang ako everyday, natulog ako everyday, guys. Talagang sakit ng lalamunan ko, pero the best na pag kayo, guys, yung magkaroon kayo ng sipon, tapos may din kayo dito. Bumili kayong steamer na hot steamer. Talagang matatanggal yung mga plema dito, guys. Pag i-on nyo sa gabi, lagyan nyo ng water, tapos hot steam sa loob ng kwarto. Yan din yung ginagawa sa mga kids ko. Na pag sinisipon sila or may plema sila dito, yung ilong nila, barado na yung ilong nila sa sipon, bumili kayo ng hot steamer. Hindi yung cold ha, kasi merong dalawa yan. Yung isa cold, yung isa hot. Yung ginagamit ko yung hot steamer.
You know a rock box? They took 4 rocks. We both got $1.
Wow!
We got yeah!
Oy, so someone bought your rocks? Did someone bought your rocks, guys? Dahil lang papa, rin palit anak guys. Mga so guys, taghirap na dito. We're so poor that our kids are selling rocks in the streets. Yung maliliit na rocks.
Painted.
Yeah, painted rocks. Binibenta nila doon sa labas.
Dad,
Yan, may-
it's 2310.
Okay.
Is it? Okay.
Painted rocks. Si Brianna nag-paint ng maliliit na rocks. Nahiya ako kasi nilagay sa isang box. Nilagay sa isang box and may na for sale yung mga rocks. How much did you sell those rocks?
$2
$1.
for $1.
2 for $1.
Yeah.
So, mahirap na, taghirap na dito guys. Nagtinda na lang ng mga bato yung mga anak ko. Ayun yung, hindi ko siya maanuhan guys kasi yung mga bata. Ang kapitbahay namin ng mga bata. Nakipaglaro sa kanila. Kakarating lang nila galing ng sa Kumon. So yun, super happy nila kasi nilagyan ng daddy nila ng ng pera yung nila guys, yung box. Pa as if lang na may bumili. So ayan, tuwang-tuwa sila na may bumili sa racks nila guys. Kawawa naman yung mga anak ko. Oy, nagtitinda na lang ng ng racks sa labas.